The fourth statement is everything that uses electricity has a dash. The answer is circuit. Everything that uses electricity has a circuit. All the electric appliances we used in our homes has a circuit. Without circuit, we not use electric appliances like TV. The last statement is we should turn off electric dash when we are not using them. And the answer is appliances. We should turn off electric appliances when we are not using them. We should turn off electric appliances when we are not using them. Through this way, we can save electricity.